election dates that will take place in a single phase on the 5th of Feb, the votes that will be counted on the 8th of February. Now, hours after the Election Commission announced the poll schedule for the national capital, the AIMIM has declared the second candidate for Okhla constituency. The party this time has fielded Shafur Rahman, who is the chairman of the Jamia Alumni Association, as its candidate from Okhla. Now, earlier from the Aam Aadmi Party leader and former councillor Tahir Hussain was given a ticket by the MIM for the Mustababad constituency in the national capital.
हमारे दोनों प्रत्याशी का ऐलान हमारे बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन साहब ने कर दिया है और दोनों मजबूती से चुनाव लड़ेंगे और इंशाल्लाह जीत के आएंगे। और जो उन पर इल्जाम है, कोई वो दोषी जो है सिद्ध नहीं हुए कोर्ट की तरफ से, अभी उनके ऊपर इल्जाम है। अगर वो चुनाव लड़ने का अधिकार हमारा देश का संविधान, देश का कानून देता है और हमारी पार्टी हर एक उस व्यक्ति को जो है लेकर आना चाहती है पार्टी में जिनके साथ नाइंसाफी हुई है। और जब अपने केजरीवाल साहब को जो है बेल मिल सकती है और अदर्स पार्टी के लोगों को बेल मिल सकती है, तो इनको बेल क्यों नहीं दी गई? 5 साल से ये जेलों में क्यों हैं?
Meanwhile, Times Now confronted Shoaib Jamai, who is the Delhi president of the MIM, regarding the party's choice of its candidates, where he has defended the selection, stating that Shafur Rahman is their hero.
Right now, we are joined by Dr. Shoaib Jamai. He's the Delhi state president of MIM. What is the reason that why you have to give ticket to right accused for the Okhla?
Why not? MIM will give ticket to those who are the hero of our CA and RC protest. If Congress can give ticket to the Lal Singh of the Kathua, then why not MIM can give the ticket to Tahir Hussain and Shafur Rahman? Shafur Rahman is our hero. The hero of the people of not only in Delhi but all over India.
But how come somebody who is accused of Delhi riots can be your hero?
Accused doesn't mean that he is convicted. Let the court decide. Let the people decide. In a democracy, in a vibrant democracy, what we see, the people will decide who is going to raise their voice in the assemblies of the Delhi.
Now, let's talk about the MIM. As it announced its candidates, the BJP has quickly responded, stating that there seems to be a competition between the Congress and the MIM in the elections to see who can be the elder brother of rioters. They further claim that both parties only want to become the bhaijan of rioters as they aim to run a vote bank business. This is not a shop of love. They are the bhaijan of hatred. This is the counter coming in from the BJP side.
चुनाव में कांग्रेस और एमआईएम के बीच में एक प्रतिस्पर्धा है, कंपटीशन है कि कौन बड़ा भाईजान बन सकता है दंगाइयों का। तो इसीलिए कांग्रेस बोलती है मैं इशरत जहां को टिकट दूंगी, वही इशरत जहां जो मास्टरमाइंड है दिल्ली दंगों की। तो एमआईएम बोलती है कि नहीं, मैं कैसे पीछे रह जाऊं। ताहिर हुसैन, अंकित शर्मा के हत्यारे को, दिल्ली दंगों के मास्टरमाइंड को जो जेल में है उसको टिकट देती है। ये मोहब्बत की दुकान नहीं, ये नफरत के भाईजान है, नफरत का व्यापार करते हैं, दंगाइयों के संरक्षण में खड़े हो जाते हैं। और आज एक कंपटीशन है कि कौन बड़ी कैप पहन सकता है। कैप मतलब कंपेटिटिव अपीजमेंट पॉलिटिक्स, कौन ज्यादा कर सकता है।
Well, let's get in a word from Sabyasachi again. Sabyasachi, this is a controversy surrounding the candidates and their background, especially what happened during the Delhi riots of 2020. And when it comes to those who have been accused for the same getting tickets to contest elections.
Well, that's right. Asauddin Owaisi's political party have decided to give a ticket to Tahir Hussain and other accused in the Delhi riot. In fact, the BJP has launched a scathing attack against Asauddin, stating that time and again he's trying to invoke controversies here in the national capital. Meanwhile, the Congress party also had somehow decided that they are going to give a ticket to Isra Jahan from the Okhla constituency. Meanwhile, the Congress also labeled Asauddin Owaisi's party as the B team of BJP. In fact, the Congress party says that it is not surprising that Mr. Asauddin Owaisi is giving a ticket to controversial character, but it is surprising that he did not find even more controversial character to give a ticket here in the national capital. Meanwhile, Asauddin Owaisi's political party clearly hints that they are going to support them, they are going to back them. In fact, in an exclusive confrontation of Shoaib Jamai here in the national capital, he clearly states that he is an accused, he is not an convict, and that is the reason why whether it's political party or Mr. Asauddin Owaisi has decided to extend their support to him.
So controversial figures there getting tickets to contest the elections. As far as the Delhi Dangal is concerned, the BJP has been calling it as Nafrat ki Dukaan. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for joining in. We'll get you more election updates back after a short break. You're watching Times Now.